Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are still doing a grade 11 perspective drawing. Grade 11 perspective drawing for engineering graphics and design. So remember, our aim is to upload all of them page by page, page by page. I think we are done with grade 10. From there we are going to do looking forward to complete what the grade 11, all of them, they must be uploaded, you understand. Then from there we approach grade 12. Then from there we are going to approach another take another topic. I think we are also lacking behind in engineering studies nated short courses. In engineering studies nated short courses, remember all the previous question papers of the previous question examination, we have been attempted them. So don't worry, it's just a matter of time. We are going to upload each and everything. Okay, so what do we have here? This is task 7. So they are saying use the information given on the worksheet and make a neat 2-point perspective of this drawing. You understand? So we are given the left elevation and the front elevation, as well as the plan view, you understand. So this is the left view, the front view, as well as the top view. So remember, in this topic we do not record dimension, isn't it? But we use the small information that is given. So this is what we are given. So the very first thing that you are going to do after you've aligned after you've attach your drawing sheet in your drawing table or your drawing board, so your paper has to be aligned, isn't it? So it has to be aligned so that everything will be in order. So you have to figure the two angles that are given there. Is it this angle? No, it's not. Remember, this is angle what? It's angle 60 in a clockwise direction. It's still not in this size. Yes, it's correspond. This is angle 30 degrees clockwise direction. So remember, if this is 30, definitely this one, it should be angle 60 in an anti-clockwise direction. So the very first line that you are going to do, you are going to project a line right from your stationary point like this. Right, you project this line till up there. Once it touch the line of picture plane, it must go vertically down. So you indicate by an arrow ukuthi you got this line going downwards. Now this is going to be vanishing point of your left hand side, you understand. Then now you come this side, you get another one that now at an angle of 60 in anti-clockwise direction. So from this point you go up. Once it touch there, so it's gonna go vertically down as well. So you indicate by an arrow again that you got this going downwards now. So this point is going to be vanishing point of your right hand side. Are we together? Then from there we are going to take this point, that one, which is the ground point, now to what? To vanishing point of your left hand side. There you go. And vanishing point of your right hand side. There you go. Remember that these lines of yours, they must be faint, isn't it? Let's come to say this is our point A, this is B, this is C, there is a D, isn't it? So now this one, this point, it should be the center vision point. Is the center of all the points, you understand. So now we are going to start with point B. Take point B directed to stationary point, faint, remember. There it goes. So I hope you can see my faint lines, you understand. So once it touch picture plane, becomes vertically down. So now I can say there it's our first derivative of point A. so that then from here till there is our first derivative of point B. So which means without fear or favor, I know ukuthi from here till there is dark. That's the height. So let's take a point C. Point C, there you direct to your stationary point. One touch picture plane becomes vertically down. So from here to there, we are going to get the first derivative of point C. There it is. You understand? Then from there, we are going to consider the height. So the height is this one. We take the height from our views. The height of the walls. Once it touches the line of CV, it's going to go to vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. Let it go. Like this we go. Like this we go. So now without fear or favor, we know Oguti from here till there is the corner of our house already. You understand? So now since this is the front view, which is this one. Do you see that from here till there we do not have a dark line, which means from here till there we are not going to have it solid. So we can only have this one solid from here till there. You understand? You understand? So again from here till there. Now this is your left view, isn't it? This is your front view, which means if we were to approach or to analyze these three views according to orthographic projection, we were going to say these views are given into first angle orthographic projection. You understand? Because we do not have a word right there. So that is why your left view is going to be on your left hand side, so that the front view comes to your right and to your right hand. You understand? So that confirms that these were given in first angle orthographic projection. Okay, so now without fear or favor, again we are going to have this one solid. Remember, what we draw we don't know, but we are just following the protocol of how do we draw a perspective drawing. Okay, so now let's complete this side so that we are going to have a clear light and understanding on what is happening. So the moment we take this point, this point is now the roof. Remember this one, this side, you are having your front view, isn't it? Which is this. So when you are to check on this direction, you are going to see something of this nature. You understand? So the moment I'm taking this roof to my stationary point, I'm now talking about the roof. You understand? This point to my stationary point, I'm now talking about the roof. So take it. I'm trying to be fast. There you go. From there, it goes vertically down. Vertically down. By looking, you can see Uguti from here till there is little bit bigger from here till there. From here till there. right from analyzing from the top view. So that is why indeed from here till there it's bigger than from here till there. You understand? So now let us take it the way height of our roof from here till there. There it is. Then from here is gonna go to vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. So there it goes to vanishing point of your left hand side, isn't it? And then vanishing point of your right hand side. There it goes. So which means where this line of ours that goes intersect with this one from here, isn't it? It was going to stationary point from here, goes vertically down, it's giving us the point there. So now after we've gotten that point, without fear or favor, we know Oguti, there it goes. And like this we go. All right, then from there, without fear or favor, take this line to vanishing point of your left hand side. Faint, eh? Then from there, you are going to take this one, take this one to a stationary point. But now from moving from here till there is a point in between, isn't it? So let's consider that point first, because you might find that this point is not going to be shown. It will be at the back of this valley, actually, you understand, because there is a valley coming in the middle of the main house, you understand. So let us get that one. There it goes. Take this point. From there, go vertical down. So which means it's right there. You understand. So, and take this point to sorry, to vanishing point of your right hand side. That goes, and further extend it just a little bit. You understand why? The moment you are extending it like this, which means we are talking about this point from here till there, you understand, from here till there, because this point in our front view is that one in our drawing, you understand. In our left view is that one, in our top view is that one, you understand. So the moment you are extending it a little bit, there in your top view is good as if you're moving from there till somewhere there, you understand. So now we are going to take this point to stationary. Remember how there it goes. From there, once it touch the vertical picture plane, it's gonna go vertically down like this we go. So there it is. You understand. So which means now, without fear or favor, I can have this one solid and have it right there before you are confusing yourself, getting many points, you understand. So avoid this thing of constructing point without drawing them dark. They will end up confusing you, you understand. So this point in our top view is there. This point in our front view is that one. This point in our left view is that one, you understand. So which means you must get something of this nature somewhere here. You understand. How are you going to get that? You are going to take this point to stationary point, this point to stationary point. Once they touch picture plane, they will become vertically down. So let us do it. There you go. From picture plane line horizontally, you go vertically down. So there it is. You understand. So which means now I can have this one solid like this. Simple, right? So do you see that from here till there you are having a solid line, which means you can have this one from there till there solid. There you go. Then now you are going to get another one somewhere, which is this one, isn't it? So how are you gonna get that? You are going to project this point to stationary point. Do it. There you go. Once it touch picture plane, becomes vertically down. So there it is. So you are going to this one is now from here till there. Throw it. I am going to finish my pencil lid here. Like this you go. Do you see now from here till there is solid there, which means from here till there you are going to draw it solid. You understand. So again, from here till there solid there, which means this one, isn't it? Get it solid or dark. So you are going to get this one. There you go. You understand? Then now let's see what is happening here. Get that point, because it's corresponding with this one, isn't it? So take that point, there it goes. Then from picture plane becomes vertical down, so it's right there. You understand? So which means you can now have this one from here till there. You understand? So that now is dark from here till there, which means from here to right there. You understand? So you can take this point to vanishing point of your left hand side. Sorry, right. Sometimes left and right they confuse, eh? Okay. So now even if you take this one, it's not gonna give you anything. It's talking about the back view. Even this one, take it just for control. Even this one, you can take them for control. I don't know for control of which situation. Even this one for control. Okay, so it looks like we are done with our roof and our walls. You understand? So now what kind of a house that it doesn't have a door? So put the door, and the door is where is there in your what, in your left view, which means you must have a door somewhere there. You understand? So we are going to take this point and that one for our door. You direct it to what? To stationary point. There it goes. Once it touches there, it's gonna go vertically down. So remember, it's this line, isn't it? So the second one is that one for the door. Too close to that one, which is this one. You understand? So there it's our door. Let's get the height of the door. It's of the same height with the windows. Remember, it's gonna go once it touch the CV line, this line, the CV line. Remember, the CV line in this case is in the same line with what? With the SP, which is stationary point. So it's gonna go vertically. It's gonna go to vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. You are still going to need it here on your right hand side, because there is a window on your left view. Sorry, on your front view, isn't it? It's this one. So remember, this one there goes from here, which means it's right there and there. So there is your door supposed to be. That's your door. That's your door. Okay, so now you are going to take this point to vanishing point of your right hand side, so that you expose the thickness of the wall. You understand? So how do you gonna expose that? You are going to take this point. Remember, we have took this one, so now you're going to take that one. You understand? So that you expose the thickness of the wall. There you go. So from here you go vertically down. So there it go. So it's gonna be dark from here till up there. From here till up there. So that there is your thickness of your wall. And from here till there, solid. You understand? So you take this one to a vanishing point of your left hand side. Then you extend it till here. Solid. You understand? Like this. So there is the thickness of the wall shown there by your door. You understand? So we are having two windows. There is a window somewhere here and there is another one here. You understand? There by your left view. in between or of this window there is a door, of which is what you started with. You understand? So let us draw the first window here. We must get it somewhere there. You understand? So you are going to take this point, direct it to stationary point. Once it touch picture blend, becomes vertically down.